Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm going to use the Monument Grill's little 22-inch griddle, and we're going to cook up some smash burgers. Now, I know, hey, I've done a million burgers before, but I'm going to try the smash burgers on this 22-inch griddle. And it's kind of funny because I'm doing an interview video for Maddie and Kiki, and they ask, one of the questions they ask is, what's your favorite thing to make? What's one of your favorite foods? And my answer was hamburgers, smoked burgers, griddled smash burgers on the Blackstone. And they're really delicious. They're easy to make. I love to make them. So we're gonna do the second cook on this Monument Grill's griddle. We're gonna do smash burgers. We're gonna make sure this little griddle can do smash burgers. I'm gonna actually put green chili in the hamburger meat this time instead of on top. I know, green chilies, it's New Mexico. If I don't put the green chilies, I get comments of, man, if you just throw some green chilies on those, that'd be, you know, the best. And then others times I'll get, you put green chilies on everything. So yeah, we're in New Mexico. We love green chilies. So green chili smash burgers on the Monument Griddle. And this is how I do all my smash burgers. They're all weighed the same. Okay, and just like that, there are our green chili burgers for smash burgers. Mixed in the meat, 3.1 ounces, usually about 3 ounces, and then I kind of add a little bit to every one of them, but they are all coming out at 3.1, perfect. I'm gonna throw some Monterey Jack cheese on mine when they're done. These are just basic green chili smash burgers. All right, so let's get these on. All right, let's lay these on there. Let's see that sizzle. Let's see if we can get 6 on here. Might get a little tight when we're smashing, but we'll see. All right. All right, check that out. All 6, no problem. Back this one here, ready to flip. Cheese on there. Pretty good. Okay, there we go. Green chili smash burgers. Just a basic burger. We got mayonnaise, mustard, onion, and tomato on here. No lettuce. Don't need it. Okay. Look at that burger. Let's get a bite of that. Garden fresh tomatoes. Just picked. Man. And that is why I told Maddie and Kiki burgers is one of my favorite things to cook. Smash burgers, smoked burgers, all kinds of burgers. I hope you don't get sick of them. I don't. Anyway, wanted to try it out on the Monument Griddle. 22-inch griddle. Worked fantastic. Link below. Check it out. Man, if you're looking for a portable griddle, so far that one really performed really well. So, I mean, it looks good. It's got that stainless steel front. The only thing I would look for is the cover. But that's it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Go make you some smash burgers. Go make some smoke burgers, but make some smash burgers on a little griddle and you won't be sorry. That thing held 6 burgers smashed out. Man. All right. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.